Virgo, hi. Let's do a reading for you today. I have my Lightseers deck. Let's see what messages come out. Current situation, current energy for Virgo, please. 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 Okay, in a holding place. You're gathering a lot of information. You're having a lot of insights right now. Can I get a card for the recent past? Something's really lighting you up. In the recent past, there was a fiery new beginning. Two people who are really attracted to each other. Somebody who sees you floating and really like in your own world. Somebody who is very much at home in their body. Okay. Can you clarify this Hanged Man then, please? Seems like right now you're waiting on your own timing for you're enjoying yourself. Yeah, there's like 10 of Pentacles and Ace of Wands. Ace of Swords, I mean. You're stirring up all kinds of fulfillment and personal satisfaction within yourself. There's something that you're seeing deeply, and you're waiting for it to kind of continue to come through. This happy life, this beautiful life. What's the upcoming? What's coming up? Someone is positively like enthralled with your energy. You could be like planning out your family life. You could be creating something. You're waiting for the right timing. And in the recent past, there was a lot of joy because you connected with someone, and it brought about this potential for like a home life, a home to come together. And so you're dreaming of the potentials and the possibilities. In the future, 9 of Wands, there's going to be some protection and some boundaries around your land, your domain. You see something for what it is. King of Pentacles. You embody two energies, this 9 of Wands and the King of Pentacles. Like, you know what you're doing. You're the boss, and you're protective. there's a part of you that may be expecting the other shoe to drop, but you try to be very chill, to be calm, to trust yourself, to nurture yourself, to treat yourself kindly. But you may fall into, like, is this all a dream? Is this all an illusion? So this Nine of Wands could be attempting to contain, like, is everything that I think, is everything that I thought going to actually happen? And the reason is because there's like a great hope. There's a great desire. There's something that you're trying to really pull down. You're trying to stir it up and hold it close so it doesn't float away. You have a lot of insecurities around the unknown, and yet overall you may be feeling financially fulfilled, but cautious. Yeah, you're trying to like, you know how the world works enough to know that it's a balance of holding tight and letting go at the same time. You're very smart. You're very loving. You're very happy. And you're afraid to get lost in that. You're trying to stay tempered, to temper the desire. Because you've had experiences that have probably fallen apart. You've learned some lessons, though. But you're cautious of the beauty. You're cautious of the beauty. And you're trying to stay in the middle of holding on, believing, and this complete surrender into it's never going to happen. This love, these plans, this joy is not going to last. You're cautious and you're tempering yourself. Because in the past, maybe you've jumped fully in because the fulfillment feels so good. The personal satisfaction feels so damn amazing right now. You feel on fire with communication, with passions, with people. And maybe sometimes you think it's just all a trick. Like someone's pulling the strings and they're gonna just pull everything out from under you. So while you feel all of these ways, you tread carefully. Wow. You try not to be too attached or codependent to outcome. Knight of Pentacles. And you try to let someone go at their own pace. The Knight of Pentacles, the Page of Cups, and the Knight of Pentacles. This is someone who is witnessing you right now, and things may be going slower, and so you're trying to also match that pace. But I think you can feel that one more card here. I think you can feel that there's so much potential here. Can you clarify the Knight of Pentacles and the Five of Pentacles? I think you just get afraid that the doors are going to close. That whatever you've built is going to go away. But this has just been a joke. But there seems to be some steadiness, a steady flow of money. And that it's going to come out of the blue and just take you by surprise. One more card. I've seen the Strength card a couple of times. You're trying to withhold from going into these emotions because the things that you see, the Nine of Pentacles is showing, there's obvious signs that everything's going to be okay. Because you're very much adored. You're very much successful. And, you know, you're playing it cautious, though. You're under no illusion that things can go away. But you're highly loved. This is like, you're highly adored. You're gonna be successful. Yeah. Rest assured, rest assured. You doubt it. You doubt it. You doubt yourself. You're making plans. You're trying to figure out what you want to do next, what you want to create next. There's something here about illusion versus reality. Yeah. There's a lot of self-doubt, but Six of Wands, Two of Pentacles, you may be juggling some ideas, unsure of what to choose, unsure of your path, cycling through decisions. But then you're like, well, what feels fun? What calls me forward? it's like you are tempering yourself. This is all about like going between feeling like on top of the world and like nothing. There's like this swing that you're trying to avoid, and you're trying to hold everything, the possibility for the Five of Pentacles, the possibility that, you know, that it may not work out with this Knight of Pentacles. But I feel like we're dealing with a lot of illusion, waiting for the other shoe to drop where it's not going to. You're taking such beautiful risks right now. You're holding hope, and that's a risk. It takes courage to do that, to believe, to hope. I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised at how the goodness follows you. Okay, Virgo. You've worked really hard to become someone, become the person that you want to be. You're working really hard to hold the beauty for yourself, and that's so admirable. And the cautious part makes sense. I'm really glad that you're balancing your energy where you feel like the shoe could drop. Because the sun is there, the clarity. There's going to be more and more clarity as you move into more emotional satisfaction. And sometimes it's holding that tension, right? That Two of Pentacles, we see like the holding of the tension of what's so close to us, to you're like on the verge of this beautiful awakening, and that tension is so, you're feeling it so deep. It's like, well, it could go one way or it could go completely the other, but here we are. And I think in the middle of that, you're attempting to find joy and holding on. And so I just feel this very deep humanity about you right now, where you're keeping your heart open. And sometimes as human beings, that's all we can do. And sometimes it's the most courageous thing to continue to hope, to continue to believe. Okay. Love you, Virgo. Have a good day.